Imagine this. You wake up one morning and money just starts flowing into your life. Unexpected checks arrive in the mail. Opportunities appear out of nowhere. You find yourself in the right place at the right time. It feels like magic. Like the universe is conspiring to bring you wealth effortlessly. Now, what if I told you that this isn't just wishful thinking? What if I told you that money is not something you chase, it's something you attract? Listen, I know what you've been told. You have to work hard for money. You need the right connections. Rich people are lucky, but what if none of that were true? Neville Goddard taught something radically different, something that most people refuse to believe. He said that money is a reflection of your state of consciousness. It doesn't come to you because you grind for it. It comes to you because you assume it's already yours. And I know right now that might sound impossible. You might be thinking, but my bank account is empty. My bills are stacking up. I don't see a way out. And I get it. I really do. I've been there, stressed about money, constantly worried about how to make ends meet, wondering why no matter how hard I worked, I never seemed to get ahead. But then I discovered something that changed everything. And I want you to hear me when I say this, because if you truly grasp this, it will change your financial reality forever. Money is not outside of you. It is not something separate that you have to go out and earn. It is a state of being, a vibration, a belief. The moment you shift your consciousness to wealth, wealth will appear. I know this sounds too simple, but that's because we've been conditioned to believe in struggle. We think that if something isn't hard, it's not real. But Neville's teachings show us that reality doesn't work like that. The world is a mirror. It reflects back to you whatever you assume to be true. So if you keep saying, "I'm broke," the world will reflect back more experiences that confirm that assumption. If you keep believing money is hard to get, life will continue to prove you right. But the moment you shift, when you start living in the feeling of already having money, everything begins to change. Now I know what you're thinking. How do I do that? How do I feel rich when my reality is showing me the opposite? And that, my friend, is exactly what we're going to talk about. Neville had a very specific method for attracting wealth. And it all starts with assumption and inner speech. Right now, in this very moment, I want you to close your eyes and imagine yourself already wealthy. Don't just picture it, feel it. Imagine waking up in a beautiful home, stepping into a life of abundance. Feel the excitement of checking your bank account and seeing more than enough. Imagine the security, the freedom, the joy of never having to stress about money again. Hold that feeling. Let it sink into you. Because here's the secret. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's imagined. If you persist in this feeling, if you return to it over and over again, your external world must conform to it. Now let's take it one step further. Start speaking to yourself as if you are already wealthy. Throughout the day, instead of thinking, "I hope money comes," say, "Money flows to me effortlessly. I always have more than enough. I am financially free." And don't just say these words. Feel them. Let them become your truth. Neville called this inner speech, and it's one of the most powerful tools you have. Because whether you realize it or not, you are always talking to yourself. And the words you say in your mind shape your reality. If you constantly say, "I can't afford this," you're reinforcing lack. But if you shift that inner dialogue to, "Money is always finding its way to me," the world will start to reflect that truth. Now, I need to tell you something important. There will be moments when doubt creeps in. Moments when your old beliefs try to pull you back. Moments when your bank account still looks the same, and your logical mind tries to tell you this isn't working. But listen to me. Do not waver. The moment you doubt, the moment you start thinking, "This isn't real," you undo all the progress you've made. Neville always said, "An assumption, though false, if persisted in, will harden into fact." That means even if your reality doesn't match your assumption yet, if you persist, it will. So don't look to the external world for confirmation. Create the feeling within you first. And here's the crazy part. When you do this, when you start living in the state of wealth, opportunities will begin to appear. People will suddenly want to work with you. Unexpected money will show up. Ideas that could make you rich will come effortlessly. And you'll realize that money was never the problem. Your beliefs about money were Now, let's talk about something that could supercharge this entire process. You see, when I first started applying Neville's teachings, I struggled. I understood the concepts, but I kept falling back into old patterns of doubt. So I created a system to keep me on track, a manifestation planner and gratitude journal. And let me tell you, this changed everything. Every day, I would write down my financial goals as if they had already happened. I would list the things I was grateful for, even before they physically showed up. And within weeks, I started seeing money flow into my life in ways I couldn't explain. That's why I put together a collection of powerful self-help tools, a daily journal, a gratitude journal, a morning journal, a manifestation planner, and even an ebook on affirmations, so you can start applying these principles with structure and consistency. If you feel called to take your manifestation practice to the next level, check out my Buy Me a Coffee page. You'll find all these resources there, designed to help you rewire your mind for abundance. But listen, you don't need these tools to manifest money. You only need belief and persistence. These just make the process smoother. Now, before we wrap this up, I want you to do something for me. Tonight, when you lay in bed, instead of worrying about money, I want you to do this one simple thing. Close your eyes and imagine someone congratulating you on your financial success. Hear their words. Feel the pride and excitement in their voice. Imagine yourself smiling, feeling grateful, knowing that your wealth is already here. Then drift off to sleep in that feeling. Because when you sleep in the state of the wish fulfilled, your subconscious mind takes over and makes it real. That's not just an idea, it's how reality works. Your subconscious doesn't question or judge. It simply accepts what you consistently feed it as truth and brings it to life in your world. Neville called this powerful moment between waking and sleeping the state akin to sleep, and it is gold for manifesting money. Why? Because in that drowsy, relaxed state, your conscious mind lets go. The resistance melts, the doubt fades, and your subconscious becomes wide open like fertile soil, ready to be planted with whatever seed you choose. So if you choose to plant the seed of financial abundance by imagining yourself already wealthy, already secure, already feeling the joy of money flowing into your life, you are literally reprogramming your inner world to match that vibration. Picture this every night for the next 3 nights. Just as you're about to fall asleep, imagine checking your phone and seeing an unexpected deposit in your account. See the amount, make it real. Maybe it's $1,000, maybe it's $10,000. Whatever feels exciting and believable to you. Feel the rush of joy, the smile that spreads across your face, the relief, the security, the peace of knowing that money comes to you easily and it's always there when you need it. Let that scene play on repeat in your mind like a movie. Short, vivid, emotionally charged. And then allow yourself to drift off to sleep in that feeling. Do this for 3 nights, just 3. Don't overthink it. Don't worry about how the money will come. Just fall asleep in the assumption that it already has. And then watch what happens. Money may come in the form of a gift, a surprise refund, a new client, a random opportunity you didn't even expect. Or maybe you'll simply start making better financial decisions because your subconscious is now working in alignment with your desire. The how doesn't matter. Your only job is to assume the feeling of wealth now before it shows up. 3 days. That's all it takes to set a new frequency within you. Because once your subconscious accepts something as real, the world must rearrange itself to reflect it. It's not magic. It's law. And this law works every single time. Now, before you go, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video so more people can learn how to shift their financial reality. And if you've made it this far, leave a comment below. Money flows to me effortlessly, because the more you affirm it, the more real it becomes. My friend, abundance is already yours. Go claim it.